Welcome to my channel Kitchen Explorer. In today's video I've brought a new recipe of pork masala. Also I've shown how to make pork masala powder at home itself. It's very simple and very delicious recipe. So let's quickly check out the recipe. Take a pan and to it add 15 dried red chilies. We need to roast until it turns aromatic and changes in its color. We need to dry roast. Here it's done. Let's take it out. To the same pan add coriander seeds 1.5 tablespoon, pepper 1.5 teaspoon, mustard seeds 1/2 tablespoon, cumin seeds 1/2 tablespoon. We need to dry roast for few minutes. And now we need to add some garam masala, that is cinnamon stick 1 inch and 5 cloves. We need to dry roast for few seconds and let's take it out. Once when it gets cooled down completely, we need to make a fine powder of it. To a mixer jar put all the roasted red chilies. To it add turmeric powder 1 teaspoon and put all the roasted ingredients. Now close the lid and make a fine powder of it. See the fine powder? Let's keep it aside. And here I've taken 1 kg of pork cut into cubes, and now to it add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, bay leaf 2, cinnamon stick 2 inch and 5 cloves, and add some salt as per taste. We need to give everything a good mix and we need to boil until water reduces. We need to close the lid and boil it. We need to keep on mixing in between because pork releases water and we need to reduce all the water content. See, you can see the water has released. We need to do the same process until water reduces. See, here you can see water has started reducing. Now close the lid and we need to cook still more. Yeah, now let's open the lid and see your water has reduced a lot. This is perfect. Now to it let's add 4 medium sized chopped onion, 20 cloves of chopped garlic, chopped green chilies too, 4 to 5 inch chopped ginger. Now to it let's add ground powder. After adding powder, now we need to add tamarind water from medium sized tamarind ball, vinegar 1 tablespoon. Now we need to give everything a good mix. Let all the masala gets well combined with the meat. After giving a good mix, we need to close the lid and let it cook. In between, we need to open the lid and keep on mixing it, or else the meat won't get boiled equally. If we won't mix it in between, sometimes it tends to burn also. So we need to mix it and then close the lid and let it boil again. Now let's add water. So first let's add half glass of water. Give everything a good mix. I feel still we need to add water, so I'm adding again half glass of water. So totally here I've added 1 glass of water. If there is no water, then the meat won't get boiled, or sometimes it tend to burn. So we need to add water and boil it. Close the lid and let it boil. Keep on stirring it in between. Yeah, this is perfect. Now to it add salt as per taste. Give everything a good mix and let it boil once. Close the lid. Yeah, and here it's done. We need to mix it. See how nicely it's boiling. Now let's off the flame, and here it's done with the recipe.